there, happy Thursday. So today we're gonna be making a homemade salad dressing. So I eat a ton of salads, and if you're trying to eat healthier, I'm sure you do too. And the biggest problem that I find with salads is that I get really sick and tired of just olive oil and balsamic. So I wanted to try something different, and all the store-bought salad dressings have the first ingredient is soybean oil, seed oils, just really unhealthy canola oil. So we're gonna make our own today. I'm gonna show you it's super easy, really cost effective, and it's really gonna spice up your salad. So let's get started. So first, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, cup of filtered water. Now we're gonna do 1/2 cup of some high quality organic extra virgin olive oil. We have garlic, so I'm gonna put some mashed garlic in there. I'm gonna use 3 cloves because both my husband and I love garlic, so we're gonna use a lot. All right, now I don't normally do this, but I'm actually gonna add a dash of honey to balance all of the flavors. I read this online, so it's the first time I'm adding honey. And what's great about this is that it's actually, the flavors are gonna marry and it's gonna taste better in the next few days. So I'm gonna use it now for my salad, but it's gonna taste so much better tomorrow and as the days progress. Our finished product. And what's really great is, as I mentioned, there are so many herbs, shallots, and garlic in here that we really don't need more than probably just about 2 tablespoons for this whole bowl of salad for the 2 of us, for my husband and I. Just mix that in there, make sure that all of the leaves are coated, and that's it. Enjoy.